go. Okay, hello there. I've had some pretty ridiculous things. Hold on, I'm gonna do something. Controls. Reset. Toggle full screen. Reset. What did I reset? Oh, P. Well, yeah, I want that. Oh. Options, control, down all the way. Bracket. No. C. Done. This. And then control. And then all the way down again. All the way down again. Reset. Done. Back. Open that. Hit that. Aha! I got it. I did it. Okay. So, just so I can see the time, I did that, and you guys can see my buffer and all that stuff. I don't really care. You just can see it all you want. I don't care. That's what I'm saying. So, see for now. No one loved me. Why no one loved me? Okay, so we're gonna go hit up a plot. We're gonna do an RP. But what they don't know is that it's a type RP. I don't have a call or nothing because I'm not allowed, and they won't allow me. And so, screw it. So we're just gonna do a type RP. That's not gonna be fun though. So I'm gonna make it more interesting. I'm just gonna follow. Go here. See what's going on. See what's heading it up. I'm gonna head it up. I'm tired. I've tried this, and it should be recording my screen. It's just not. Look! Oh my goodness, the lag. There it. Oh, there. I see a Minecraft ride with no minecarts. Nani? What are you on about? Are you high? Or are you high? They're probably high. I hit my microphone. I don't care. Ah, no copyrights. Yes, no copyrights. No copyrights. No singing. Keegan. No singing. No singing. Okay. I'll try to put my voice on for String Bonnie. It may sound like Freddy or Funtime Freddy, but this is just to entertain because I don't know because there's nothing to do right now. Actually, no, there is something to do. I'm gonna go play some Bed Wars. No, yeah, Bed Wars. What's your favorite? In the comments below, what's your favorite? Bed Wars or Murder Mystery? Because I'm hoping Murder Mystery because that's what I like. Hey, Spud, where are you? You're my father. I'm kidding. He's not my father. There's he is. That's a ridiculous hat. I love it. Is that a hat? I must get that hat. That is an amazing hat. I want it. Please give it to me. I want it. Okay, let's see who's on Bed Wars. 17. Just gonna join that thing because there's probably gonna be no one there, so I don't care. Checking the old YouTube. And please, everyone, get your friends, get your family, get whoever has a YouTube channel, get them to subscribe, because I'm kind of low. Actually, I can pull up my subscriber count. Give me a second. Let me pull out my subscriber count. It's like 13, maybe. 13, maybe 14. I don't know. And you guys are lucky. There's no ads. I don't care. I don't care about you. I don't care about you. I don't like this Internet Explorer. It takes forever to load. See, I'm typing. Nothing's working. Give it a second. It'll work. Just give it a second. And why do I have two favorite bars? This thing's high or something. That's just what's up. That's just what's up. It's 4:22. Okay, YouTube. Why is my mouse bugging out? Stop it. Stop. No. It's bugging out. It's bugging out. I don't like it. Stop it. Make it stop. Make it stop. I will break this PC in half. My channel. I don't. Finally! No, censor that stuff. I'm not gonna censor because I don't want to take 2 hours. Thank you for finally loading. And it still doesn't go. Oh! This is the death of me. See? There's me trying to do the hat trick. That's me in the thumbnail. Just look at that. 13. I can't find it. I know Keegan, the other Keegan, like my good buddy Keegan, he's been good. He's been on this platform a little bit longer than I wouldn't say that. Like, he's been on this thing. His channel's been on here longer. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm closing out. Hopefully I can start Discord calling, but that will probably never happen because I don't have no it's a sad story. I would be so rude. Bye. That's funny. When someone says hi, you always say bye. I like epic streams. They're my favorite. Yes. Messi sent me that again because he's still laughing. And then you gotta hurry up and grab your healthy pet. I'm kidding. Actually, I do have a healthy pet. But let's see. Oh, no. Hanny. Don't know her. I don't care about her. Not to be mean. I'm just saying. I don't know her. No, we do not say that. We do not say LMAO on this Christian Minecraft server. On this Christian Minecraft channel. Yeah. No LMAOs in the chat. Because you know what that means. It means laugh my butt off. But instead of butt, it's the A word. I'm not gonna say it because I am a good child. YouTube, please don't demonetize me. I know I've had my rough times, but there's no need to demonetize me. So please don't do it. I really need this channel. So 9, I'm stalking the prey, which is pie. I don't have permission to enter that. So, let's see. Housing. Message. Eris. 2009. Hello. 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 I know you're in there, Marv. What? Foxy, I found witches. PvP glitches. Yep, that's how you say glitch. That's how you say glitches on this channel. It's glitches. Yeah. Allie intros, please. If only I had toes, but I don't have a body at all. It's only my head and my hand. Actually, no, I only have a hand. Gosh, I do have toes. Yes. Oh, wait, no, I don't. I have socks. Dang it, not enough. Must have the delicious toes. So let's go. I know I'm cringy, so stop saying it, okay? So stop it. Just stop. Just stop it. Get some help. I think I'm the one that needs help. Someone, please help me. Let's go rule these people in PvP. They suck. They're gonna be trashed. I know you want it. Come here, boy. Come here. Lag. I call it on lag. Stop it. Stop. Get away from me. Get away from me. No. He hit me, mommy. He hit me. Help. I'm gonna go spank his booty. Cause that's what I do. I'ma spank him. Get dead if I can't hit him. Oh no! No you don't! Stop it! Why you cyberbully me? Why you bully me? Stop it! Stop! Oh no! Tag teamers! You pieces of crap! You tag teamers! You did what now? You tag teamers! I don't like you at all. Allie intro play. And I go yeet. Eat. No, they're bullying me. I get bullied. I bully them. They bully me. I bully them, and then I bully them back, and then I get bullied again. Oh, also, why am I talking in that voice? Also, go head up. Wolfpack plays. I'm gonna have to pull it up for you guys. You guys are. I'm gonna have to pull it up for you guys. And you know what this means? The pain. Please, somebody help me. You too. Oh my gosh. You. Hello. I don't know. Screw you. No! It's bullying me! It's bullying me, guys! It's bullying me! I can't. Yes, I am suffocating myself. Well, bye, guys.